Nej, Pernille, hvad har du gang i? Vi har puttet rottegift i. Men bare rolig. Det er bare far klasse B.
Det var fedt.
Ja, det var så. Prøv lige at se.
Fuck, klam så.
Hey Pernille, er du okay? Det er Ida. Jeg har hørt, hvad der er sket. Hvad fanden bliver I så ind?
Yeah, here we go for the 100th time. Hand grenade pins in every line. Throw them up and let something shine. Going out of my fucking mind. Filthy mouth, no excuse. Find a new place to hang this noose. String me up from atop these roofs. Knot it tight so I won't get loose. Truth is you can stop and stare. Run myself out and no one cares. Dug the trench out, lay down there with a shovel up out of reach somewhere. Yeah, someone pour it in. Make it a dirt dance floor again. Say your prayers and stop it out and then bring that chorus in. Taking deeper just to throw it away. I bleed it out, taking deeper just to throw it away. I bleed it out, taking deeper just to throw it away. Just to throw it away.
Pernille, hvad fanden har du gang i? Er du okay? Jeg ved godt, du er der. Tag nu den telefon. Så kommer jeg over, så vi kan snakke om alt det her.
Making sure that we